Hello. In this video I will be covering a couple functions that you can find the derivative of using power rule, but they might not initially seem like you can. So there's two kind of functions that don't quite look like a simple x to the n, but they are. I'll cover that in this video. So the first kind of function involves the x in a denominator. So let's say we had to take the derivative of, let's say, 2 over x squared. Now we can make this match the a times x to the n form by changing this exponent, right? So we know that in the denominator is the same thing as taking the base to the power of a negative exponent, right? So this is the same thing as the derivative of 2 times x to the negative 2, right? And then using power rule, multiply by the power and subtract 1. So that ends up being negative 4x to the negative third, or negative 4 over x to the third. And the second kind of function I want to cover is just functions that involve radicals. So let's say when we wanted to find the derivative of 5 times the square root of x. We know that square root of x is the same thing as taking x to the power of 1/2, right? So again, to take the derivative, we multiply by the power. That would be 5 over 2. And subtract 1 to the power. So 1/2 minus 1 would be negative 1/2. So that is the same thing as 5 over 2 to the square root of x, right? Because this is a negative, so the x goes in the denominator with the 2, and it's a 1/2, so it's the square root of. And that's basically it for this video. Just want to make sure that you knew that these two functions can be solved using power rule. Alright, thanks for watching.